अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम अलीहा अली है और आप लोग देख रहे हैं पोस्टकार्ड फ्रॉम अमेरिका। इस वीडियो में I'll be interviewing seniors from Clements High School. Clements High School comes under the top 10 most ranked high schools in Sugarland in the area of Houston, Texas. The following week मैं कुछ seniors के interviews लूँगी और उनसे पूछूँगी how they plan their college life ahead and what advice they could give. So since it's their last week of school life, let's see what they have to say and let's get on with the interviews. How has the American system prepared you for your future goals and college after graduation?
Well, I was previously in a British system from middle school, and the change in systems was really different, but like you adapt to it really quickly. The way that it's set up is so that it accommodates everyone, and you get to ask for what you need. Like if you are not being accommodated for something or if you don't understand something, you can go and push for it.
That's an amazing answer because as a student who just shifted from Pakistan, it's been really difficult for me to adapt to the surroundings in the start, but I like your answer. That's exactly how I felt, but later on it becomes easier. I'm sure it became really easy for you. Now you're going off to college. That's a pretty big change. How do you feel about that?
I'm really nervous. I always thought I was going to go to college back in my home city, my hometown, Egypt, but I'm not. I'm going here in America. And I think having gone through American high school kind of gave me a view into what American college would be like. So I'm not all that scared anymore. And I think whenever you get to your final year, you'll also be more prepared.
Well, thank you so much, Mars. Thank you. So today I'm here with another senior. Introduce yourself.
My name is Sam.
So where are you from?
Pakistan.
What advice would you give to international students who just moved to the American schooling system?
I would say involve yourself in clubs and talk to other people, make new friends. My name is Ryan.
One piece of advice I would give to international students to surround yourself with a good group of friends that motivate you to succeed.
So other than iFest, is there any food cuisine or stuff which is involved?
Yeah, so in Houston, people call it Karachi too, because there's a lot of food places that are inspired from Karachi. You got Bandhu Khan, Karai Boys, a lot that I can't really name off the top of my head, but it's very involved with the Pakistan culture and food for sure.
And with you graduating, whatever college you go to, so do you think that Pakistani culture would be over there as well?
Oh, for sure. I'm planning to go to University of Houston. And a lot of my Pakistani friends, I see them mostly going there.
Yeah.
A lot of them, they want to be business majors. I think Desi people in general, other cultures too, but in general in Houston, I think Desi people do business the best.
So, good luck for your college and you graduating. Thank you so much. So this is the final person we'll be interviewing today. What is your name?
Rihanna.
So Rihanna, as a senior, what do you think are some unique traditions that really capture the American high school system?
I would say homecoming is probably the biggest American high school tradition. It's a lot of fun. Basically a football game, and so pretty much everyone from the school goes to choose on the school, and then afterwards we have a dance.
Okay, thank you so much. So there you have it guys. These are some perspectives of American high school students. यहाँ पे हर तालिब इल्म को उनके मुस्तकबिल के लिए कैसे तैयार किया जाता है, from managing time management skills और उसके साथ साथ academics और extracurricular activities कायम रखना मुश्किल तो है, but these students are examples of how they did it and so can you. As we wrap up our video, I just want to thank all the interviewees who shared their experiences. So thank you so much. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to taarmedia and follow all our social medias linked in the description below. अब अगले हफ्ते मुलाकात होगी. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.